Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharan Malayalam. So I came to know that many of you are facing the problem regarding the category certificate. So NTA has given a solution for you guys. So don't worry about that. You can complete your registration process today by following this process. Means those who belongs to category and those who require category certificate to be uploaded. So after coming to JEE Mains NTA website, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and click there. So there you can see have frequently asked questions FAQs JEE Mains 2021. So under the information bulletin and under the core agendum JEE Mains 2021, you can see here quick link there. So click that. If you click there, so in this page, so all this is like you can go through them. So no problem, all these things about all that things. So you can see the 34th number FAQ. Is it mandatory to upload general EWS, SC, ST, OBC, NCL and PWD certificate? So they have given answer as yes, general EWS candidates are required to upload original certificate as per the prescribed format issued by the competent authority of their respective state. In case any student does not have the certificate readily available with him or her, he or she can upload the self-undertaking appendix 2. However, he or she will have to upload the requisite certificate before end of May 2021. So for now, for completing your application process, you can upload a self-undertaking form which is in the appendix 2. I will show you that. So for now, you can upload that. Again, before May 21, before the end of May 2021. So next year to May 2021, you need to upload your original certificate. So for now, you can do this. So what is that? This is appendix 1. So this appendix is one for the own scribe for PWD student, that is for own scribe, and this is appendix 2. So this is for general EWS, SC, ST, OBC, NCL students who don't have readily prepared certificate with them. So in case you don't have your category certificate with you, general EWS, SC, ST, OBC, NCL and PWD candidates use this. So and also those who need a scribe for writing your exam, then you need to also upload this also along with the below one. So this process you need to complete as soon as possible. So following this process means fill this undertaking form and use it as a category certificate for now. So before May 2021, you can upload the original category certificate. I hope you all got clear regarding this point. If you still have any more doubts, you can join the Telegram link. The channel link is in the description. You can join from there. You can ask any doubt regarding JEE Mains or any entrance exam. I will be there in that group and help you out. So if you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.